Welcome to the in front of me Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's just first open the box and let's check. This is some paperwork, the protective case. And unfortunately we have not here just any adapters, so I just think that you don't need this adapter because you have here the just part for 3.5mm adapter, or just two headphones with the 3.5mm part. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.